I was at a grocery store and a random stranger approached me. He said that he found me very attractive. अगर मैं 16 साल की लड़की होती तो साइकिल उठाकर भाग जाती. But instead of that, I told him that thank you so much for your compliment and I politely refused his offer. I generally get lot of compliments not only from men but my female friends also. Growing up, I never realized that I am beautiful enough. And time has made me realize that beauty is very subjective. But it is very easy for all of us to become attractive. And here, I'm not only talking about your exterior but your interior as well. Hi lovelies, I am Jyoti and in this video I am going to talk about how you can become mesmerizing and attractive. So let's get started. तो सबसे पहले मैं आपसे बात करना चाहूँगी कि अगर आपको attractive बनना है, you have to learn to work on your communication skills. You have to learn that how can you put your thoughts into words. It is an art. It is an art to hold conversation. How many time it happens that you forget people? आप किसी journey पे जा रहे हो and you met a random person और आपको उस person का चेहरा अब याद नहीं है, but what conversation you had with that person and how it made you feel, how it made you think in a separate direction, you will always remember that. So bahar se you can look very mesmerizing, you can look very attractive, but the moment you speak, the moment you open your mouth, it reveals who you are, it reveals your total character. So it's very important that you learn how to communicate with people. It's very important for you to learn that how you can hold conversation, and it is not something that you're born with, it is a skill that you can develop. It is a skill. For example, I used to read books and whenever I used to read books, मैं कभी भी मुंह बंद करके बुक्स नहीं पढ़ती थी. इट माइट बी ट्रबलिंग टू अदर पीपल अराउंड मी, माई फैमिली मेम्बर्स, बट आई यूज टू रीड लाइन्स so that my vocals are getting trained. I am able to say word in a proper way, or I am able to modulate my voice in a proper way. So and it is very important, right, कि अगर आपको अपनी communication skill अच्छी करनी है, यू हैव टू बिकम एजुकेटेड, यू हैव टू सीक नॉलेज. बिकॉज अगर आप एजुकेटेड हैं, आप नॉलेजेबल हैं, एंड इट इज़ नॉट अबाउट ओनली बुक्स, the theory that you study, but in general about life, about science, about nutrition, about how your body works, about geopolitics, or whatever subject that interests you, learn to become educated on that. Seek knowledge, because अगर आपके पास जितना ज़्यादा ज्ञान है, आप जितना ज़्यादा आपने पढ़ा है किसी चीज़ के बारे में, यू कैन स्पीक इफेक्टिवली on that particular topic. So it's very important that you work on your communication skill, you learn the art of holding conversation and become educated, become knowledge hungry person who knows, like, if I want to be a part of a conversation, I should be in a position ki I am able to speak things about it. Another important skill, to master your conversation is to make the other person feel important. It's very important that कि आप जिससे भी बात कर रहे हैं, उस इंसान को आपसे बात करके ये फील हो कि he is the or he or she is the most important person in the room. And I don't mean that you essentially go and flatter that person, but genuinely interested in the conversation. Because आप जब सामने वाले को बहुत एक्टिवली सुनते हैं, यू आर एक्टिवली लिसनिंग टू देम, नॉट just because you are mentally preparing yourself to come back with a stronger response, but to understand them, to acknowledge their feeling, and to build a connection and the trust. This is very important that you listen to the person very very effectively. And it is also very important to be authentic yourself, or आप एक ऑथेंटिक पर्सन बनिए. डोंट ट्राई टू प्रिटेंड someone else. If this is your core personality, be an authentic person. There's nothing wrong about mimicking the surroundings or mirroring the emotions, but to be yourself. Don't try to be someone else in order to impress someone. वो दिख जाता है and looks really very bad. Another important point is that you need to learn that you should remember small details about other person. It could be anything. सबसे पहले अगर आप किसी से मिलते हो and he or she is telling you the name, तो आप कोशिश करो कि आप उनको उनके नाम से बुलाओ. Because if somebody calls me Jyoti, like it is the most beautiful sound for me. सिमिलरली आपका जो नाम होता है वो आपके लिए सबसे बहुत ही स्पेशल साउंड होता है. सो लर्न टू रिमेंबर नेम ऑफ पीपल एंड कॉल पीपल बाय देयर नेम. आई रिमेंबर वन इंसिडेंट दैट मेरी ऑनलाइन क्लास चल रही थी एंड माई प्रोफेसर वॉज टीचिंग एंड सडनली क्लास के बीच में उनकी बेटी आ गई एंड वी ऑल सेड हेलो टू हर एंड शी इंट्रोड्यूस्ड हर डॉटर एंड सेड दैट शी इज अवनी. And when I happened to meet my professor in person, I asked him like, how are you and how's your daughter Avni? The moment I said that, my professor was in like cloud nine. She said, oh my God, you remember her name. Because for my professor, her daughter is very important person. And me remembering her name made her realize that, oh, my student also remembers the name of my daughter. So it's very important. It is very important that you learn small detail about the person, remember their name, and also it is also important to remember birthdays. अगर आपको याद नहीं रहता है तो make sure you नोट इट डाउन. आई रिमेंबर कि मेरी सिस्टर का बर्थडे था एंड 2 दिन पहले तक मुझे याद था. एंड ऑन हर बर्थडे आई हैड अ वीडियो कॉल एंड आई टोटली फॉरगेट कि उसका आज बर्थडे है एंड इट मेड हर, she was very upset and she was very hurt. And then I realized ki, oh my God, what I did. I like learn that small tiny detail about people and it makes them feel very special. It makes them feel very important. Another important point for you is to become sarcastic or develop a sarcasm in your conversation. Having good sense of humor is sign of intelligence. So when you introduce humor or when you introduce something sarcasm in your conversation, you are definitely people consider you as you are an intelligent person. And one important thing that learn to crack little bit of jokes and accept the jokes and the conversation, but not the disrespect. If you feel in your conversation you are disrespected, learn to close the doors for such people. Because if the roles are reversed, these people will not forgive you for what you have said. So it's important for you to learn the boundary, like how much joke is allowable in the conversation and when it is moving towards the disrespect. So these are few important points. So let's get into the next section of the video where I'm going to talk about body language. It is very important, to have a good body language, because before even you speak, your body says a lot. How is your torso? How is your position of your hands? Are you looking at everyone or you're just trying to avoid eye contact? So it's very important for you to learn a little bit of body language. For example, if you are not maintaining eye contact while having conversation, it shows that you lack confidence. It shows that you are hiding something. It shows that you are not confident enough, or it creates a hindrance where you feel like you are not able to develop the trust between two people. So having a eye contact in a conversation is very important. जब आप अपनी आँख चुराना means you have done a crime or you are not able to face other people. So little bit of eye contact is very important. If you're not able to have an eye contact, you can look at the center of the eyebrows. That also work. Second important thing is that when you are having conversation but you are keeping your hands inside pockets, it shows that you are not open to have a conversation, right? It shows that you lack confidence, or maybe आप सामने वाले के लिए open नहीं हो conversation के लिए. For example, I remember in my hostel, two friends came to study to understand some topic, and I was explaining that topic. So I remember one of my friends, she was nodding and she was having an open body language, while the other girl, she was leaning back on her seat. वो अपनी चेयर पे बिल्कुल पीछे टिक के बैठी थी, and she closed her hands like that, which instantly made me realize that वो पढ़ने ज़रूर आई है, टॉपिक समझने ज़रूर आई है, but her body language is very distant. So before even you, what should I say, your looks, or even before you say anything, your body says everything. Most of the time you see, when you have your torso is bent like this, it doesn't look good. Having a straight torso, keeping your uh, like body in a perfect posture, it's very important when you want to become attractive, and when you want to become socially attractive. So work on that. Another important point I want to make here is that you have to become emotionally intelligent. You cannot be same with everyone. You have to become like a chameleon, right? Where you have to understand कि सामने वाला person कैसा है. If somebody is very emotional, you will not be using very harsh language with that person. And if someone is very, open minded, or he is not that much emotional person, you can be harsh on that person. So you cannot treat all the person in the same way, because everyone is different person, everyone is unique, everyone's way of conversation is different, everyone's perception of the world is different. So it's there is quote something like that, your success in this world depends on your ability to deal with people. So how you are dealing with people around you, you cannot be same a person with your manager, or with your friends, or with your colleagues. So you have to have a different version of you in order to become socially attractive. And don't think it is that it is a burden to be a different personality, because we are behaving certain way at different scenario. What you are in your school and what you are at your home are two different version of you. What you are at your office and what you are at a party, there are two different version of you that already exist. So it's very important for you to learn emotional intelligence, build emotional intelligence, and deal people in accordance to what they are and who they are. Another important point I want to make is that I was watching a movie, Michael Jackson. In that movie, Michael Jackson said that it's very important to be mysterious, because when you are a mysterious person, people are curious to know about you. So it's important to have privacy in your life. It is important to become mysterious person. Don't reveal everything about you, what you are, what you do, how you are. Little bit of mystery is very important to become a likable person, or to become an attractive person. Now moving on to the next section, I want to talk about looks. Yes, looks matter, because even before you interact with other person, they see you as a whole package. How you are dressed up, how you are smelling, your looks, how you have combed your hair or not, what are you wearing, your footwear, your watch, kind of perfume that you are wearing. So yes, looks are very important. But I have realized that fashion comes and goes, but a person who has very beautiful body, one who treats his body like temple, the person who works out, right, who studies nutrition, who eats with this thing in mind, that what nutrition I am giving to my body. It's fine to eat for your taste, but at the end of the end goal is that you have to learn to treat your body as a vessel, एज अ टेम्पल कि आप इसके अंदर क्या रखते हो. So look clean, look polished, learn nutrition, and eat well. Go to Pinterest, find good wardrobe ideas. Try to customize your wardrobe. Don't buy any random things from market, right? Just shop intentionally, that what are the things, what are the pieces that I will be needing in my wardrobe to create a whole new look altogether, right? And it is not about, क्या बोलते हैं, keeping lot of makeup, right? Matlab I have hardly like do makeup. Currently I have put only lipstick and mascara, not and a moisturizer. Apart from that I have put nothing, and I generally keep myself simple. But it is important for you to keep, yourself clean, hygienic, and become intentional about what you are wearing and what message you want to convey to the world with the kind of outfits you are wearing. So it's important that you also invest some amount of time that how I am looking, because people perceive you based on your appearance. Moving to the last but most important section of this video, that is energy. There's a quote which goes like, if you want to find the secret of universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration. I'm a huge believer of the fact that we are nothing but a form of energy, and we are constantly vibrating at a certain frequency. So if you want to become attractive person, you have to increase your energy and you have to elevate your frequency levels. Many times it happens like you interacted with a new person, and he's talking very nicely and everything, looks very fine, but at your deep level you realize that something is off, because we are energy, we are we are supreme, we are part of that supreme energy. मतलब हम जो हमारा भगवान, हम जिसको मानते हैं, आप जिसको यूनिवर्स बोलो, we are part of universe and we carry that energy. So it's very important, to purify your energy. So how do you get your energy in order? First and foremost, that you have to increase your awareness. We are living in a generation, there's one paper, research paper, whose title is like, attention is all you need. Your attention is most valuable thing in the current time. It's not your time, it's not your money, it's not your energy, but your attention. Where are you putting your attention? Are you putting your valuable attention to the things that matters, or you are putting your attention to any random stuff going in your life? So that realization, that self awareness is very important if you want to, get your energies in order, because we have limited energy. और हम हमारी एनर्जी कहाँ स्पेंड करते हैं, किस एक्टिविटी में स्पेंड करते हैं, किन लोगों के साथ स्पेंड करते हैं, that will decide that your energy is elevating or you are feeling deprived of your energy. And for that there are multiple ways. One is meditation. I sometimes do, I sometimes don't do, like I'm not very consistent, to be honest. But the breath work, for example, before starting your work, taking 5 or 10 times a deep breathing, doing yoga, writing things, whatever things that you want to do in your life, just write them out, become mentally more aware, because you know that our brain has neurons, so neurons that fire together wire together. So always think like, what thought I am thinking, so what thought you are thinking, exactly that neurons you are firing in your brain. So basically we are having an electromagnetic field around us. So what you think is nothing but your electric energy, and what you feel is nothing but your magnetic energy. So how you think and feel will actually decide what kind of electromagnetic field you have around you, and that is nothing but your energy, your aura, your vibration. So if you want to fix that, you have to fix your attention, you have to fix that where my awareness is going in general. If you are a woman watching this video, I want to say you that preserve your femininity, become more feminine. I know the world is designed like that you are constantly hustling, because I totally related to that, constantly hustling, getting this job done, next to this, next to this, next to this, blah 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 blah, and you are constantly running. But you are not designed to be like that. You women are, like flowing river. So you have to preserve your femininity, and you have, instead of rushing, instead of hustling, learn to have some quiet time with yourself, where you are doing the things that you actually enjoy. I remember that I used to paint like anything, and I was not interested in the kind of outcome I will be getting out of it. But it is a kind of therapy to me, it was kind of meditation to me. So it's very important for you to preserve your femininity, and you have to walk, talk, and act like that you are the walking blessing on this planet, because you have to train your mind. Your brain doesn't know the difference between what is reality and what is imaginary. So always, always, always talk the things that are good about you. Never ever say any bad thing about you, right? And last not the least, meet people at your level. What do I mean by that? I mean that always have people around you who elevate your energy, who doesn't leave you deprived, who doesn't leave you, stressed. So always have those people in your life with whom you grow, with whom you feel like that your energy is increasing. So these are the few points that I could think of, and if you have any other suggestions that could help the people watching this video, that how you can become more attractive and mesmerizing, do comment in the comment section. I would love to know that, and I really hope this video help you guys, and I love you so much. See you in the next video.